to the Barbie classroom. Today we've been able to talk about pencil skirts, straight skirts, the Gada skirts. Yeah, and you should watch the video. It's educative, and I promise you'd learn something. I'll stick to this channel. Thank you. So let's say we're doing a band of 2.5, and if the customer's waist is 30, we're going to do 32 because 2 inches was. So I need someone to quickly iron this for me. Otherwise, we're going to notch that. Then we get the middle, fold this to where the zip is starting. To notch for where the sides will be. I think we did this during pleats, Abby. You remember? Let's say you remember, no? Yes. And so this is the middle point. This is one side. This is the other side. And this right here for the zipper allowance. The reason for this, you'll get it soon. So we have a length of 18. Yes. Now, sometimes, if the length that I need is 18, here is 2, the half inch that is here is for joining. That means what I would need remaining is what? 16. Then I'm going to need like 1 more inch for piping the down part. So I'll leave it on 17. This thing I just said sometimes may not be applicable in pencil skirt. This, whatever plus or minus I put, it may not be applicable. It may and it may not. Okay, now, I can say that this quantity is what I need for my gathers, but we clearly can see that this probably may not be enough for the gathers cut. I don't think. All right, you notice that I joined the side. I'm going to notch the middle here, which will identify as the middle. Remember what I told you to do during when we were making the trousers easy? What this means is that this is for this anything. The middle notch kisses the middle notch. The reason why we're doing this is so as to regulate our gathers, so that one part will not be fuller than the other part. Then the next joining is for the other side. You see all the precautions, the necessary precautions I'm taking because I don't want to lose and sew. And if you are losing and sewing too much, your fabric will start losing its beauty. You don't want that to happen. So now we can go ahead to gather up. From the start of the band to where the zip starts from, it's going to be a straight stitch. See what I'm doing? Now this is the manual way of me gathering. I'm not pleating. I'm just pushing the fabric into space to fit in. By doing this, you've been able to divide the fabric evenly, equal proportion. If you don't do this, if care is not taken, all your gathers will not be. You just so that you finish sewing the gathers, but one side will be more fuller than the other side. You now start wondering that why is it not? But with this, we've been able to achieve an equal distribution of fabric on the band. You see this? And there's no place you say one is more than the other. Everywhere it's clean and it's even. Any question? You put your zip, you pipe the down parts of the skirt, and your gather skirt is here. Thank you.